this awesome glass bottle pack. Let's do it.
We got this awesome 6-pack glass bottles here. Now what you get out of the box is this awesome silicone ice molds here. You can make any type of ice. You get a nice little funnel here, which is also made out of silicone. And here is your spill proof cap here for your bottles and something to help clean your bottles with. And here is the glass bottles yourself, 18 ounces, which is very nice, made out of nice high quality glass as well. And there is your top here, nice and threaded, which is very nice to make sure you don't spill any of your drink. Now I'm just using some awesome juice here. I'm making me some nice pineapple, orange, and apple juice here, and I'm just juicing there because I love juicing. So this is an awesome way to help me save some of that extra juice. And I'm using the funnel here and just pouring in my homemade juice there, and it made things so much fun because I usually spill my juice all over the counter. So having a nice funnel with these bottles is very cool as well. Makes the process so easy, and I love it. I have 5. I didn't have enough juice for 6, and here is the cap. Just gonna go ahead and turn that on, and I want to show you that it will not spill, which is amazing. I love this. Loving juicing. I love this health journey I'm on, and I definitely would recommend these glass bottles.